trees in Portland. Your best bet tonight, stay where you are and avoid travel. Now, Chief Meteorologist Natasha Stenbach and Meteorologist Josh Kozart, this is a double team because this is big stuff happening. Natasha, fill us in.
Well, there's so much going on, so I'm so grateful to have Josh here with me.
we're tag teaming it.
Yes, there's a lot to cover, so let's dive right into it. And what we're seeing right now, many areas still seeing the snow falling, winds still gusting upwards of 40 to 50 miles per hour. So as we're moving into the evening hours, this becomes more critical because now you're going to have a harder time seeing on the roadway. Here's a live look right now. A Casino. We're going to keep that KOIN 6 weather alert going all the way through tonight. So in Ridgefield, Southwest Washington, you are currently seeing the heaviest of the snow coming through. In addition to that, it is still very windy out there for you. Temperature right now for the Portland area is 16 degrees, getting winds out of the east 22 miles per hour. Dew point very low, very dry feeling out there. That's why the snow looks different. It looks different from what we're typically used to out there. Live outside, I want to take you out to the Vancouver waterfront. This is going to be a really windy zone. You're right on the Columbia River. You have basically no shelter from the wind. Over to I-5 in Terwilliger, you can see I-5 is covered with snow right there. And then taking you out to our Riverview camera, you can see plenty of snow out there. Again, still dealing with the gusty winds moving through. Satellite and radar imagery showing us we have bands of moisture moving through. So there are times when you are getting a break from the snow, but you're not getting a break from the winds at all. Also, the combination of sleet, snow, and at times even freezing rain, and this is what we're picking up on our satellite and radar imagery out across the central portion of the Willamette Valley from Albany up to Jefferson, Salem, and then heading into the foothills, the western slopes of the Cascades. Taking you back to our Southwest Washington area, look at that band of moisture just sitting draped across Southwest Washington. And you know, it's interesting is as we were showing you forecast models last night, we were showing you this exact region getting the biggest amounts of snow, and here it is coming true this evening. Current temperatures here for Portland, we're sitting at 16, only 7 for you. Hood River, even out to the coast, you're still sitting below freezing, all the way down to Newport. Gusts up to 48 miles per hour for Troutdale, 37 currently for PDX. So as you can see, things are not exactly calming down by any means. We're far from that. Current feels like temperature for you in Portland right now, 2 below. It feels like 7 below in Troutdale. Snow accumulations as we move forward for the rest of the night. Again, we're expecting the heaviest band of snow to really hang out across Southwest Washington, Calais County, Clark counties. So for the Portland area, we're going to be on the lighter end of that. So we may only see an additional 2 to 3 inches of snow accumulation. Still, with the moisture in place, you could run into freezing rain down towards Salem, Corvallis, and Falls City. So anywhere from about 1/10 of an inch to 2/10 of an inch of additional ice accumulation is possible there. So what this looks like on our roadways, we're going to give you a comparison here. Portland, we're not expecting freezing rain for you. At times we've seen some ice pellets, but not really doing anything significant to our roadways. But roadways are snow-packed, and just know with these winds ripping through, that can make things rather slick and very icy at the surface. Dangerous wind chill continues for us tonight. For the Salem area, we're putting the check mark on both freezing rain and snowy roads. While it's breezy there, we're not expecting the same level of dangerous wind chill. So some good news in some parts of the valley where you're more wind sheltered, but right here in Portland, those winds are still ripping through the gorge, Josh. So what does this mean? How much longer is this going to last?
Yeah, and you know, that's the big question everybody's asking. When are these winds expected to die down? And the good news is it's later tonight, but we have to kind of pack our patience and wait until after the midnight hour. That's when we should really start to see them calm back, but still remaining on the gusty side, potentially seeing 30, 35 mile per hour wind gusts out of the gorge as we work our way into tomorrow morning. And that just means that those breezy conditions going to make it feel like maybe 6, 5 below as we work our way through the rest of this evening. But you'll notice as we work our way into tomorrow morning, seeing gradual improvements with the feel-like temperature despite still holding on to those gusty conditions. Now, with the exposed skin in these type of conditions, it only takes about 30 minutes for frostbite to become relevant. Now, as far as our coldest temperature today in Portland, 15 degrees. That's not even counting those feel-like temperatures, as Portland is expecting to rack up a total of 86 straight hours below the freezing mark, not climbing out until Tuesday, and it's just amazing what 24 hours can do for us here in the Pacific Northwest, as our 7-day forecast does keep those dangerous temperatures overhead for Sunday, but no precip expected. Any and everything that fell today will stay on the ground at least through Tuesday, and even Tuesday is another chance for maybe a rain-snow mix before we get back up into the mid-40s, which is where we should be for this time of year. So we got to pack our patience, wait till the middle and end of this upcoming week.
Well, I have to say, as a viewer as well, you guys have done a great job predicting this. There's no question you guys were spot on as to letting people know this was going to be coming, and this is what we've gotten so far.
Yeah.
And a lot more to come, though, as well.
A lot more, yes.
All right. Now, you know, there's been a lot of delays and things